Control and implementation of a multifunctional solar PV BESS and DEGS-based microgrid.
Abstract.
The main objective of this project is to improve the power quality into the microgrid using solar PV BESS-based DEGS. Here is our website, which you can find the EEE projects and explore various other domains on www.takeoffprojects.com. From EEE simulations to projects spanning diverse fields, our website offers a rich collection to satisfy your curiosity. Whether you're seeking titles or abstracts, our platform provides easy access to the project resources. Embark on a journey of discovery and innovation by visiting our website today and dive into the world of exciting projects and research.
Document.
In Document, we can provide abstract, introduction, literature survey, keywords in different stages based on project. Take note of keywords as chapters, proposed system, result discussion, conclusion, future scope, and references.
PPT.
In PPT, we can provide abstract, introduction, literature survey, existing method, disadvantages, proposed method, proposed block diagram, simulation block diagram, and results. Advantages, applications, software and hardware requirements, conclusion, future scope, and references.
Results.
This project was implemented and tested using MATLAB and Simulink software. This software is user-friendly and easy to understand. In this project, diesel generator is connected to the three-phase nonlinear loads. In between diesel generator and loads, solar PV BESS-based inverter is connected parallel to the system. To improve the power quality, PV out is connected to the battery with bidirectional DC to DC converter. It converters DC to DC and is connected to the inverter. Inverter converter to DC to AC, that is filtered by using filters. Inverter is controlled by using Enhanced Adaptive Filter (EAF) control technique. In this project, the VSC is controlled such that the power quality improvements such as compensation of harmonics, reactive power, load unbalance, and neutral current are achieved. Moreover, in the presence of BESS, the DEGS is always operated at the maximum fuel efficiency point. The EAF control provides higher disturbance rejection. Thank you for watching. For more details, contact 9030333433.